What is up, guys? It's your boy Sammy. We back Monday morning, boys. Let's go. Yee. But yeah, Monday morning. It's already. I just woke up. Well, I woke up like 20 minutes ago, but yeah, we here already. Trying to get another session in. Trying to make some money. Trying to get profitable. Trying to do all that, right? Trying to do all that. So let's get straight to it, though. But yeah, it's already 8:34 my time, but 9:34 market already open. So you guys can see. Oh shit. We're on the, let's go to the 5-minute time frame. We already marked out our key levels. Bro, come on, man. Let's get rid of like all this. Well, we don't really care about all that because we're over here, but yeah, we have the session lows and the session highs, and then we have this 1 hour key level, and then we have this 1 hour fair value gap. That's what we were able to mark out here on the chart. But as of right now, we are looking kind of bullish. Although key levels are down here, we are looking kind of bullish because of the trend. The trend is looking bullish. I was able to scale down, to the 1 hour. It looks bullish here. Looks bullish right here. Comes down, comes up. Unless we get a reversal and come down and reverse and touch all the key levels from today. But we had a similar situation like this on Friday where I thought we were gonna reverse down to touch all the key levels, but we ended up just going higher, right? And then I can scale up to the 4 hour time frames as well. And we are also looking bullish on the 4 hour. Well, the trend is looking bullish. You see, right? But we're just gonna be patient and look for we're gonna be sticking to the 5-minute time frames. We're not gonna go out of this. Hopefully we find the trade today, make some money. We need to come back from our loss from last week. We had a heavy loss last week, negative week, So we need to make $4,000 now instead of $3,000. So, but we'll get it. We'll make it work somehow. Somehow we'll make it work somehow. But it's all good though. We're patient. We're not rushing anything either way. So. Okay. So we just broke structure right now on the 5-minute. We just broke structure on the 5-minute. So we are looking bullish a little bit. I'm just going based off the trend, based off the 1 hour. I scaled up to the 1 hour. We're looking bullish. Scaled on the 4 hour. Like I said, the trend looked very bullish. Although we can always reverse and touch the key levels, don't get me wrong, but right now we are looking bullish. We just broke structure on the 5-minute right here. This was the most recent high right here, this black candle. Boom, we broke structure right now. So now we want to find a order block, breaker block, or a fair value gap. Right now, we do have this breaker block working. We would have to fill this and then break out of it in order for us to find the trade to the upside. But as of right now, we're just going to be patient, waiting to see what. Maybe this gets disrespected. Maybe it gets filled. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. Maybe we come back all the way down and break structure over here to the downside. And then we can target all the way down here. But I don't know. It's early still. Hopefully, we do find the trade, though. If not, we'll just wait till tomorrow, look for a better entry. Because I realize that we don't have to be taking trades every day. We can just be patiently waiting for the right trades. Even if it's just taking that one trade a week or that 2 trades a week, as long as I'm making money every week, it's all good, But like I said, I'm just gonna be waiting. I still got plenty of time. Still got like 45 minutes left, so we're chilling. But keep you guys updated right now, and yeah, we'll see what's up. We'll see what like stuttering and shit. But yeah, we'll see what's up right now. It's already 10:04. We haven't seen really much. Obviously, market just keeps going up. Like I said, it's been looking bullish, but we were able to make a fair value gap right here. So, God damn, bro. So this breaker block doesn't really matter much to us no more, because we were able to make this new fair value gap right here. So what we want now is we want to see if maybe we can come down and fill this fair value gap and break out of it, or as long as we fill it, and then potentially we can enter a trade to the upside as long as we get a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, so that we can make some money here. Or we were able to create a equilibrium right here, most recent low with the most recent high. So that can be an option as well, but it would literally be the same as filling the fair value gap. So, and also with the equilibrium charts, I'm not confused, but I just don't really know where we actually get stopped out here on the equilibrium charts. But I always go based off like the most recent low, so that when we do break structure, if we do end up breaking the most recent low structure, then now I'll just get out of the trade, because we're just disrespecting, or we're just shifting trends to the other side. You get me? But what I do want to see right now is fill this. I want to fill this fair value gap and then get a little breakout out of it, a bullish candle out of it, so that we can take a trade, at least to get a 1-to-1, so that we can make some money today. If not, we'll just call it a day, and then we'll just wait for tomorrow for a better trade. Because last week on Tuesday, I didn't end up waking up and I missed out on money. But you know, that's what I get for not waking up. But that's why I gotta be on the ball, you know. Gotta be on the fucking ball all the time. But yeah, we still got time though. We still got like 20 minutes, 30 minutes to see if we can find a trade. If not, like I said, we'll just call it a day and wait for tomorrow. But we'll be patient. We'll be patient. Oh shit, this is huge. I just saw, my bad, I was distracted for a little bit. We just filled the fair value gap, boys. We just filled the fair value gap. As you guys can see, we came down, filled it. We need to close bullishly here. We close bullishly, and we'd have to scale down to the 1 minute, find a break of structure there, or inverse. Can't even fucking speak. Or a inverse fair value gap, and then we could potentially take the trade. But this is huge though. As long as we don't disrespect this fair value gap, we're bullish right now. We're bullish. Come on, come on. We gotta close bullishly here. Or next candle, or this candlestick has to close bullishly. Or as long as we don't disrespect this, as long as we come down here a little bit, come a little bit more down, so we can find better entry, that'll be cool too. We still got 5 minutes though. These next 5 minutes are crucial, are huge. But yeah, hopefully we close bullishly here. If we close bullishly, we'll scale down to 1 minute here, because you guys can see we came down and filled it right here. You guys can see right here on the 1 minute we came down, filled it. We're just looking for that bullish candle out of it, and then we'll take that trade with all the right confluences getting hit. And then as long as we make some money, we're chilling for the day. We're chilling for the day. Chat. Okay, so this might be huge, chat. This might be huge. So we came down, filled the fair value gap, obviously, like I said before. But we also did respect the equilibrium chart here, as you guys can see. We still got 2 minutes left before candle closure, but I am gonna wait, because I've had the situation where I enter the trade right now, and the candle it ends up closing like bearishly for some reason. Like, you never know, it can come down all the way down. We still got 2 minutes. That's a lot of time. So we're gonna wait maybe till like there's 30 to 20, like under 30 seconds left before we take that trade, if we do see this candlestick all the way up here, so that we can get better entry, obviously. But obviously we'd have to respect on the 1 minute as well, find the break of structure and inverse fair value gap. But in this case, we're hoping to see a break of structure here on the 1 minute. Obviously, we see it here. We're breaking structure right here, but we'd have to wait till this closes fully, and then we'll be ready over here to take that trade. But we are looking bullish. Obviously, I'm just gonna wait for that. I mean, like I said, we are gonna wait for this candle closure. Obviously, if we can find the trade entry earlier, the better for us to get better price entry. But I don't want to get too ahead of myself, because I've had already the situation like last week where we entered a little bit earlier and we ended up getting stopped out because of shit like that, you know. So we're just gonna be patiently waiting, and hopefully we can just get that 101 on the risk reward ratio so we can make some money. And because honestly I do not have no profit targets, but we are respecting the every single confluence here, and we were looking bullish off the trend of the 1 hour time frame, off the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time off the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame. We were looking bullish based off the trend, based off the market trend. So we might end up taking the trade already. Let me just scale down to 1 minute, see if we break structure here off these 20 seconds. If we do break structure here off these 20 seconds, I'll take the trade confidently. Damn, bro, don't leave without me. Don't leave without me, bro. Don't leave without me, bro. Oh, shit. Ah, damn. Yeah, I haven't taken the trade yet. Although we did close bullishly here, I haven't taken the trade yet. Solely? Is that how you say it? Solely? I don't even know. I'm just trying to get my vocabulary up, chat. Nah, but I haven't taken the trade because we have to see that. We have to see a 1 minute break of structure here, or an inverse fair value gap. But we have not. We don't see anything for that inverse fair value gap. We don't see anything. But we'd have to respect this break of structure right here. We'd have to break structure right there. So we'll wait for that. If we don't see that in anytime soon, then we won't take that trade. But gotta respect every single confluence, boys. Oh shit, this might be huge though. We made a gap, fair value gap right here on the 1 minute. Ooh. Maybe we can disrespect that and enter trade off of that. This might be huge. I think I might enter trade here, chat. I think I might enter trade here if we do disrespect this inverse fair value gap. This fair value gap. My bad. All right, we're in. We're in at the price of 24,249. 24,249. Gotta be faster. We gotta be faster. 24,249. All right, so we're gonna get stopped out most likely down here, 18 at 18. So we'll target. Let's go to the 1 minute. All right, cool. We're in already. We're in. So we're in at 24,249, right? 249. We went based off our trade, based off this inverse fair value gap. We disrespected it. So on the 1 minute, so we're gonna lose max 18 here. We're gonna stop out here at 18, or let's go to the 101. Honestly, I don't mind taking profits here real quick at the at the most recent high, right above the equilibrium chart, which would be at 24,266, 24,265.25. It's Alright, there you go. We'll take our first take profit there if we do end up coming back all the way up here. for a 0.9, which is close to a 101. Honestly, it's because I don't see anything else where we could potentially take profit, but we'll go based off that first. Take our first take profit there. If we do come back there, because we did respect that. If not, we'll just get stopped out and call it a day, but that's not the case. Fuck. After that, we'll probably target... here maybe? I don't know. I have no idea where to target. Come on, man. Don't do me dirty right now. Don't do me dirty. Alright, so we're gonna first take our first take profit here. 2 contracts right here. How many contracts should we sell? I might sell 3 contracts actually. 3. Let's sell 3 contracts actually. Because I have no... The only reason I'm doing this is because I have nowhere else where I could potentially take profit. So that's why I'm selling 3. And then the last 2 contracts we'll just sell at... I have nowhere to sell on. Let's just sell at... If it goes all the way up here. Right there. 24,275. 24,275. What's the last 2? 24,275. There you go. That's all I got. That's all I got for today. I mean, we respected everything, and we want to do a recap. We broke structure here on the 1 minute. Right here, we built this fair value gap. We filled it, as well as the equilibrium chart. We broke out of it, and then we finally scaled down to the 1 minute, and we inversed. We found a fair value gap, a bearish one, and we inversed it. I mean, yeah, broke structure. I mean, it broke structure. I mean, it disrespected this bearish fair value gap, and I mean, yeah, pretty much it. Hopefully we hit our targets, make some money, call it a day, and then wait for tomorrow. But I have no take profits because I have seen nothing like prior to this. You know, we are at all-time highs. I believe so. We are at all-time highs. But I told myself that I'm gonna take first take profits right here at this most recent high up here, because I have nowhere else. I can't go. I don't know where else to take profits, and then I'm just taking profits right here at 275 because why not, right? I have nowhere else. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully we do come back all the way up here and take profit, at least to break even up here, and then yeah. And then we'll get stopped out right below the fair value gap, because that's where we, on the 5 minute, that's where we basically based our trade off of that fair value gap. I mean, we did base our trade based off this bearish fair value gap, but it doesn't really matter because we disrespected it, so it doesn't count no more. I'm walking away just like a movie star. Ah, fuck, that shit hurt. Oh. I'm walking away just like a movie star. Ah, ah. Maria, Maria. Come on, bro. We're literally right there. I'm debating if I should move my stop loss to right here, in case it does like end up, because if we end up closing right here, we're already switching the trend, as in like if we break structure, we're breaking this low. You get me? So because we already made a new low, but I'm not sure if I should just stick to this fair value gap instead, or move my stop loss here, because if that's the case, we could literally target up here real quick. Nah, honestly, I'm sticking to the same take profits, but I don't know if I should move. I'm probably most likely gonna move my stop loss, guys, right here, mainly because of like I said, if we end up breaking structure to the downside here, that's already like bearish. It's gonna seem bearish to me. So, and I don't feel like risking because it is also already late as fuck. So, but I'm sticking to the same take profits though. Don't get me wrong. Like, I'm not moving anything. Although I can probably take profits up here because of the risk reward ratio, it would already be a 101. You know, 1.5 actually, almost. But nah, I'm sticking to the same take profits like I said already. But yeah, most likely I will get stopped out as soon as we do break this, the most recent low. Just cause minimize losses, you know, and we could always find a better position tomorrow or then on Wednesday or on Thursday or on Friday. So I don't get greedy, guys. I don't get greedy, and I like minimizing my losses, obviously. Well, nah, not really, because if you guys see here, this is not minimizing losses. But I'm trying to work on that. But yeah, hopefully we hit. We were so close again, like 5 ticks away again. But who knows? Maybe we do end up coming back up, or maybe we end up coming back down. I have no idea. Can't predict market. I'm just a trader, boys. I'm just a trader. I'm just a guy in the middle, taking the low, clicking the buttons, trying to make some money, trying to retire the family, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. Oh shit! Here we go, chat. Here we go. Come on, 5 more ticks, 4 more ticks. We're so close, man. Where we at? Shh. Oh, let's go. We hit it, chat. Let's go. Oh, we hit both of them. Let's fucking go. What the fuck? We hit both of them? Are you kidding me? Allah. We hit both of them. Y'all saw that? Look, $200 profit today. Let's go. 200 in the green, guys. Oh my god, look, we hit both. How did we hit both if this didn't even come all the way up here, over here? That's crazy. That's insane. Oh my god, the take profits finally hit, chat. Y'all saw that? Live. Y'all saw that live too. Oh my god. Let's go, baby. In the green. We're starting off the week strong. Let's go. Ooh. I couldn't lose today either because we were most likely going to lose the account. Damn, that's insane. That's good though. So if we're... that's cool. Finally, bro. I finally feel a win. Wow. But yeah, low recap. So... based on analysis was, my analysis was right today. So I took a bullish, I took a long trade today because I scaled to the 1 hour. We were looking bullish based off the trend, like I said, and also on the 4 hour we were looking bullish off the trend. It looked like a similar situation on Friday. So I didn't really want to take that trade to the downside and target our key levels down here based off, because we do have this 1 hour fair value gap as well. We did open bullishly, and then we did respect all our confluences for today. And we finally hit our take profits, boys. Let's go. But yeah, guys, that was it for today's session. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys stayed all the way, I appreciate the love. I see the love coming in, you know. I appreciate you guys. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.